Everybody are happy. We are tired of bad government. So now we want a new government, as you can.
I came out with my PVC knowing that come 2023, we are going to change the government of this nation. Thank you.
We are tired of suffering, we are tired of strikes, we are tired of all the hardship in the country.
Anytime, 100 for you.
But you know, say for some time now, APC and PDP don't dey reign for Naija well. So, shey you believe say Labour Party fit stand a chance against APC and PDP for this election?
For now, I don't think those parties can come into Nigerian, to participate in Nigerian campaign. What is happening now in Nigerian 2023 campaign? I don't think they can come and, campaign any. What do they have? They don't have anything to prove. They don't have anything to prove. APC don't have anything to prove. PDP don't have anything to prove.
So why you can't believe say Peter Obi go dey different? Because you know say APC been promised say they gonna give us change for Naija. PDP come then bring their own manifesto talk say now wetin we go do be this, now wetin we go do be this. So it be like say some people no reason say wetin them talk say they go do, then go do. So wetin can't make you believe say Peter Obi go keep up to your expectation?
From what I've seen, from what he did in Anambra State when he was a governor, from what I see, he paid all the workers that work. He paid them off. Even the ones that work, that resign, he paid them off. Understand? Every worker that expecting salary from the company, even in the government account, every staff that is expecting salary in every state that is working to, that they delaying their salary. When you go to Anambra, Peter Obi always pay their salary.
This country. So as a youth, what are your personal steps? What are the personal things you've done to ensure that you come out today, like telling friends about Peter Obi? Why are you so passionate about a change in this country?
I don't receive many interviews where Peter Obi don't receive. And I don't accumulate many experience from his interview. You know, I want to advise many African youths in all the African countries, all the political activities happening in African countries. I want to advise African country youths to go and take over their country. All the African youths, let them go and take over their country. All the political activities, political criminals, they are stealing their money. Let them go and take over their countries. Are you listening to me? So I've listened to Peter Obi interviews, and his interviews have given many integrity and many experience. You know, I don't know how I'm going to compete it.
So you believe say Peter Obi they capable to change Nigeria? You believe say Peter Obi get waiting in take to make sure say Nigeria become a better? What do you they expect say make Peter Obi do when he become president?
Security, education, and poverty. The wages of poverty in Nigeria is high.